Yes, continuing the theme on Annapurna abundance. Uh, in this segment, I want to introduce one very enigmatic personality for me. He's an architect. He grew up in Hong Kong. I think he's American or British, but grew up in Hong Kong, and he brings that kind of Asian sensibility.
American.
Yes, he's American, but he brings Asian sensibility. And the title for him I have given is The Alchemy of Dancing Cradle to Cradle and Not to the Grave and Upcycling. These are actually the two books that they have written with Michael Braungart. He has written with Michael Braungart. I think this came in, the Cradle to Cradle book came in 2002, and then the Upcycling came in 2012, exactly 10 years after. So their theme is from architectural, and I think Michael Braungart is a chemist. So how they combine this? They're basically looking very from the belly of the beast of the techno-industrial setup, right? Because they work into that setup, and they saw that there is so much waste, there is so much redundancy, there is so much nonsense. Why? Like, why would people put, let's say, a poison in a child's toy because the poison chemical element might be glue, right? But why would they put it? This is how they begin to look at. They begin to interrogate the very logic of mass production and mass consumption. So they begin to see that the many of the unnecessary pollutants and unnecessary materials could be avoided if we were to design differently. For example, a carpet, right? You have a whole house full of carpet, and then but you walk only on a certain part more than the other, but then when you have to, it gets old, you throw out the whole carpet, right? Why not you have pieces of carpet which they are in the corner, they will be fine for many more years, but in your main, going to the bedroom or going to the kitchen, carpet should be changed, but make it like a block. Just change that block. On and on and on. And so Interface Company did that. So anyway, the primary philosophy about how to create that efficiency between economy and ecology is that anybody's waste should be somebody else's food. That's the first principle. Then economy runs on current solar income. Do you understand what that is? Is like our fossil fuel, like coal, petroleum, gas, what they are? They are the ancient solar income. I don't know whether you can understand it. I hope you do. That means once upon a time there was a lot of forest, there was earthquake, there was upheaval, the forest went down, its juices become petrol, its wood became coal. Now we are taking that out and burning it up. But why not we use this current solar income right now through the solar and the wind? So that is the idea. Then productivity requires in return enormously diverse biological pathways. Monoculture is the enemy of regeneration. Okay? That's what they're saying. That more diverse the things are, the healthier they are. Then seek not only efficiency but effectiveness. That this is an answer to Amory Lovins actually, because he was saying about the the efficiency of use of energy and all that. But he says some of the time, even if it is most efficient, let's say your war gun and pistol and arms are very efficient, but they are not effective. They should not be there to begin with. Just stop making war materials, toys that are toxic. Don't toxify your soil. Don't take out carbon and putting it up in the air, which should be put down on the root, and I will talk about that in another segment.